Hello everyone. Today, we will be seeing how an inverting amplifier works. The inverting amplifier, as the name suggests, inverts and amplifies the input signal. It's based on an operational amplifier, 741 IC, and just like our previous video on the voltage follower, it's a versatile building block in electronics. The circuit is simple: an op-amp, resistors, and a function generator. So in the circuit, connect the pin 7 to positive terminal of VCC, which is equal to 15 volts, connect the pin 4 to negative terminal of VCC, connect pin 6 to input pin 2 with feedback resistor in between, and connect the pin 2 with a resistor to function generator. Connect pin 3 to ground. Here I'm keeping amplitude as 2 volts with 1 kHz frequency. So as you can see, the blue color wave is the input waveform is of 2 volts, and the output waveform is green in color, which is inverted and amplified to 4 volts. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel.